Hey guys, I'm back. This is Laura with Feather the Nest. And if you're coming back to my channel, welcome back. If you're new, don't forget to like and subscribe because I always post a lot of content. I do a lot of sewing and a lot of other things. So let's get right into it today. Today I got my January IndieStitch. It came pretty fast. It wasn't supposed to be here for another couple of days, but here it is. I remember when it came out, it says jacket, I think. And I think I went a little all out there on the fabric choice. I think I chose a floral. Never had a floral jacket, but I like florals. So let's see what's in here. Ooh, I don't think I got the floral. Okay, I think I may have gotten my second choice, which is okay. So this is a Smitten jacket. And it is by Pattern Emporium. Okay. It looks like I have, ooh, it's a twill. I'm actually really excited about this. It's a black twill. So I chose this crazy floral one, which evidently a lot of people did. And then I was like, no, I'll be sensible on the other one. So it's looks nice. Let me feel it. Oh, it is like a majorly stretched twill. Yeah. Yeah, this feels nice. It's black. I think that's gonna look nice with a lot of things. Okay, 2.5 yards of that fabric in here. Of course, we got thread and 2 needles so that we can sew our project. And I think this is the second month I've gotten this same thread. So I've got quite a bit of this black thread now, this Gooderman. What other goodies did they give us? We've got some elastic. Let's see. Some buttons. Let's see what they're like. No, yeah, buttons, just black buttons. Okay. A measuring tape, you can never have too many of these, for sure. Some interfacing. The pattern all printed out. I like when it comes in all these colors, it makes it so much easier. So that's exciting. And what is it? Some jewelry. Oh, this is cute. This is a necklace. Huh. It has charms on it. There's a sewing machine and some scissors. I don't know if you can see that. It's really cute. Okay, I'm excited about that. So that's a different kind of thing that they've sent us. So when I thought it was a floral, I was gonna wait a little bit on it to make it, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and make it. It looks like the sew along is January 20th through the 24th. And if you've never done one of these before, they give you a code for your pattern. You go online, you download it, and get all of that kind of good stuff. So you have a coupon code and they send you everything. Yeah, there is also, they just announced this on Instagram, next month's pattern, and I'm really excited about it. It's called the Daydreamer Top from Pattern Niche. And it just looks super versatile. It has lots of different styles to it. It just looks like you could use it over and over again and create all kinds of good stuff. Here is that, if you want to see. Okay. But yeah, I always love opening this one. I'm all caught up on my IndieStitch. I've sewn all of my IndieStitch pieces. So this jacket is definitely going to happen here pretty soon. And it seems like it's a really nice fabric. It's nice and soft. So I can't wait to get started on it. Right now I'm working on an Aberdeen. I started it a couple of nights ago, but didn't get a chance to work on it much after work last night. I was kind of tired, but I think I'll be able to finish it tonight. It's burnt orange. I'm making it to wear for the UT game on Friday. Not that I'm going, but to watch it. And I think I'll definitely finish it by then. Now it is cold. cold here in Austin. I don't know where it's like everybody else, because I know there's a cold front going everywhere, but it is cold here in Austin. And so this is a long sleeve shirt, but I'm gonna definitely have to bundle up with it because I don't do well in the cold. So anyway, that was this month's Indie Stitch. The necklace was kind of a surprise. I'm very excited about that, and I'm excited. This is the first time I've ever gotten my second choice fabric, but I'm not mad about it at all. So I hope you guys have a great evening. I'll post some updates on my Aberdeen that I'm working on over the next couple of days, and go out and do something great today.